coming up?
Stand on side.
Finley, come this way. Come to Mama. What, are you going to Ruben then?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Mama.
Okay, you want Mummy to come?
Yeah.
I'll still do that. I just need something to push against.
Yes.
Mama.
Okay, you put it, Finley. Put it down.
La.
Can Finley and Ruben play, please?
Dada.
Finley and Ruben.
Yeah.
Yeah? Go and put it down then. Oh, Finley.
Finley, you pick this one or this one?
Good sharing, boys. He's gone. You made it.
Please. Yoo-hoo. Catch me falling out on my head.
Here you go, Mummy.
Oh, thank you, Ray. Good helper. Come on, monkey. Cheers.
Oh.
Can you go down?
Say bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ruben's putting his helmet on.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
He's going on his bike. Yeah. Here he comes. Mwah. What's that? You excited to go on your bike? Are you? Should we get down?
La.
I think we should. Come on, let's get down.
La.
Yes, please.
La.
Right, ready?
La.
Yes, please. Right, so take this off now. I'll put this on because I'm so cold. Got a bit warm now. Yeah, Danny's just taken Ruben out on his bike, on his pedal bike, to have a little practice because he's not been on that for a little while. He has learnt how to, oh gosh, I'm out of breath. Then he walks up the stairs. We are actually taking the boys out later for a surprise. They don't know yet. We're going to tell them when Noah gets home from school. We normally do a little Friday treat. We have a little reward system. So if the boys get 10 stars on their reward chart during the week, then they have a Friday treat. So a treat will be like some chocolates and sweets from the shop. But today we've told them that their Friday treat is going to be something extra special. And they both got 10 stars, so their Friday treat today is that we're going to be taking them to a pantomime, which is just down the road. It's a Jack and the Beanstalk pantomime, and we've never taken them to a pantomime before, so I'm so excited. They are going to be obsessed. They're going to be so excited when we tell them. They did see a pantomime at school. They did where the cast came in and performed for the school and the preschool. So Noah and Ruben got to see it together, which is cute. That was not Jack and the Beanstalk, Beauty and the Beast, which is my favourite Disney film. So yeah, they have seen that, but they've not been like out properly, and we've not taken them to see a pantomime, so it's kind of their first one. So yeah, we're going to surprise them with that when Noah comes home from school. And then this is what we were getting from the loft earlier. We have got these books, what they call Surprise Adventure. We've got a couples edition and a family edition. So we're going to be doing once a week. Obviously the couples edition will just be for me and Danny, but the family one, once a week, we are going to be choosing a little adventure from this. We did say we were going to do it on a Thursday, but it didn't work out because this week we're being thrown off. Ruben's been really poorly with tonsillitis and he's been sick loads, and yeah, we've been very thrown off this week. I think we're going to do one this weekend, maybe, and then starting from next week we're going to get into like a proper routine with things, like doing little family things like this. It looks like that on the inside, and then basically you find so they've all got numbers on. You choose one at random. They give you little clues on them, whether you need to spend money on them, whether they're free, how long they take, whether it's indoors or outdoors, and you don't know what it's going to be, but it just gives you little hints. So you choose one, you find the matching number, and then you peel them off. These little stickers, you peel them off, and then you stick it on the black background on here. I don't know if I'm explaining this very well. When you stick it on there, it reveals what the adventure is. What does it go up to actually? It goes up to 40, and then there's bonus ones in there too. So that's what we're going to be doing over the weekend, one of those. And then I actually got these for Danny for his 30th birthday because I'm such a good wife. And then I got a couple's edition, which we probably won't be doing anytime soon. Let's be serious, because we have 3 young children. And this is exactly the same, but obviously just coupley things, which I'm excited to start doing.
Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence, my hands begin to shake. I thought I knew you, but I barely knew your name. Porcelain stuck to your teeth, you got everything, and I can't believe how I've been let down again and again and again.
But can I have my birthday now?
No, sweetheart.
I meant a little.
No, darling.
We go to the library. We are what? Look at me shoe, everyone!
I shave. On my hand.
Yeah.
No, come on then.
Rue, come on please. Can't bring it home, but you can play with it. Do you want me to get it down?
Can I have it?
No, do you know who this is?
Yeah. Oh, it's got bubbles. It's got bubble mixture in it. Has to stay up there, darling.
Have a play with that.
Okay, let him finish his go, because he's not had it for that long. Okay, and then you can have a go.
So I need to stay in. No, what? Maybe pretend that you've broken down, so I take it.
Sit down, Finn. Sit the other
Then
one.
I take Papa.
Good boy. That one. Open very carefully. A book with bites. Let me
Where's
see.
Daddy?
Let me see your glasses. Daddy's just gone to look at the other books. One came from, was it in there?
After this.
Put it back, Finn.
Yeah.
Was it in there? Good boy. Perhaps it is better to be just like everyone else, thought Susie Goose.
Please go raw, thick,
Is it?
gulp,
It's this one big lump.
gulper.
Gulper.
Yeah,
And this big lump.
gulper. So he runs
Dada.
away with him in his tummy.
Dada.
Sarah
Dig
didn't
out.
panic. She knew that kids usually swallow their
Oh,
food
make sure it
down
doesn't
whole.
fall.
And then if she was pregnant,
What is that? That's so tiny.
Definitely. And what about what Noah's amazing at drawing? Yeah.
Pigs?
No.
Fox. Maybe I could do this one and maybe find the other one. Whoa. Oh, Dada. I told you it's not fair.
Not today. You come in.
Hello. Hello. Dada.
Ta-da.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
I've got you, darling. I've got you. Okay, step up there. Sit. Good boy. That's it.
This stick is the heaviest thing in the world.
Oh my goodness. So heavy.
I was going to say,
I just found something in there. Let me go first.
so then you can hold my hand and I jump over.
Sit, set. Right, no, wait. Set. And up. Set. Good boy.
I've got the camera for you.
Thank